Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Deliveroo voucher or discount code. Now there are two ways for you to go ahead and do this. The first one is, of course, this will only work on selected restaurants, but this is what you can go ahead and do is, say for example, we're just gonna go ahead and order something. So I'm gonna go to, say, Wingstop right here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and add something, say for example, this 8 pieces of boneless chicken right here. And there you go. So we're gonna go ahead and add this. Now in the basket section, depending on how the restaurant have set this up, under the basket subtotal itself, there will be an option right here for you to add in some discounts. If the restaurant has some form of voucher or discounts available, you can go ahead and add it in here. So this is a hit and miss depending on the actual restaurant itself. Now another way for you to go ahead and add in, say you have a Deliveroo voucher that you can go ahead and apply, what you can do is to go into your account right here. And then we're going to go into our account details. So go ahead and click on this. Now we should be able to see the vouchers and credit section. So go ahead and click on this. And then if you have the voucher code or gift card, you can go ahead and enter it right here. So this is basically applying a voucher reward or some form of a wallet or gift card for you to be able to use as additional credits into your Deliveroo account. And there you go. I hope you have found this video helpful. See you guys next time.